F-150 around front, please.
Yep, here you go.
As an engineer working on the Ford F-150, you know there's a bar that's set really high. The F-150 is tougher than ever. It starts with a high-strength military-grade aluminum alloy body and bed, which allows for a strong steel frame. And we delivered on towing, payload, and off-road capability like you'd expect. But we also made it smart, starting with an available hybrid engine. The hybrid powertrain gives you 430 horsepower and 570 foot-pounds of torque. Plus, it has impressive EPA estimated fuel economy ratings. This engine also enables high wattage output. ProPower on board gives you the ability to use your truck as a mobile generator. It allows you to power a job site or your next tailgate.
Coffee's good, man. You did good.
No one else offers that kind of electrical power output. It's the kind of capability that a truck owner's really never had. And we've enhanced that experience with a very usable tailgate work surface. You can clamp your work right to your tailgate and work wherever you're needed.
Yeah, that's what I want. Thanks a lot.
Whether you're at the work site or off-site, the F-150 helps you work smarter by converting to a mobile office when you need it. With a stowable shifter and a fold-flat console lid, you can get the job done from anywhere. F-150 helps you stay in command with features like hill descent control, which helps your truck maintain a set speed when you go down that steep decline. We also continue to make towing smarter, like Bliss with trailer coverage. It uses sensors to not only monitor your truck's blind spot, but your trailers as well. So we made backing up your trailer easier. Pro Trailer Backup Assist helps you guide your trailer more precisely with the turn of a knob. And Trailer Reverse Guidance uses the cameras and sensors that are on the truck to help you move your trailer to a precise spot. Parallel parking can be stressful. So one of the things we've worked on is Active Park Assist 2.0. All you do is hold down a single button and the truck does the rest. With F-150, one of the features is 360-degree zone lighting, where you can control the lighting on your truck by zone, even if you're far away through the Ford Pass app. So we've added all these features into the F-150, but to me, the coolest is the ability to continuously improve. With Ford Power Up software updates, your truck will get over-the-air updates that make it better over time, and you'll have the ability to get new features as they become available. This F-150 is tough, smart, and it keeps getting better.